CCNA practice questions 1 to 9. 1. Which two protocols operate at the transport layer of the OSI model? A. IP, B. TCP, C. UDP, D. HTTP, E. Ethernet. Answer: C. 110. Explanation: OSPF routes have an AD of 110. EIGRP internal routes are 90 and static routes are 1. 2. Which command is used to display the current VLAN configuration on a Cisco switch? A. Show VLAN, B. Show VLAN brief, C. Show IP VLAN, D. VLAN show. The correct answer is B. Show VLAN brief. Explanation: Show VLAN brief gives a concise summary of VLAN IDs, names, and port assignments. 3. Which IPv6 address type is similar to an IPv4 public IP address? A. Link local, B. Unique local, C. Global unicast, D. Multicast. Answer: C. Global unicast. 4. Which Cisco command is used to assign an IP address to an interface in global configuration mode? A. IP address 192.168.1.1, B. Set IP 192.168.1.1, C. IP address 192.168.1.1.255.255.255.0, D. Config IP 192.168.1.1. Answer: C. IP address 192.168.1.1255.255.255.0. 5. Which protocol is used by ping to test connectivity? A. TCP, B. ICMP, C. UDP, D. ERP. Answer: B. ICMP. Explanation: Ping uses Internet Control Message Protocol to send echo requests and receive echo replies. 6. You configure router OSPF1 on a Cisco router. What does the 1 represent? A. The process ID local to the router, B. The OSPF area ID, C. The router ID, D. The network number. Answer: A. Process ID. Explanation: The number after router OSPF is the process ID, which is local to the router and can be any number 1 to 65,535. 7. Which WN technology uses labels to make forwarding decisions? A. Frame relay, B. MPLS, C. PPP, D. ISDN. Answer: B. MPLS. Explanation: Multi-protocol label switching uses labels instead of IP lookups to forward packets quickly. 10. Which type of IPv6 address begins with FE80? A. Multicast, B. Global unicast, C. Link local, D. Anycast. Answer: C. Link local. Explanation: All IPv6 link local addresses start with FE80:10 and are required for local communications. 9. What does the command switch port mode trunk do on a Cisco switch port? A. Disables VLAN tagging, B. Allows multiple VLANs over one link, C. Restricts to a single VLAN, D. Converts the port to access mode. Answer: B. Allows multiple VLANs over one link. Explanation: Trunk mode allows the port to carry traffic from multiple VLANs using 802.1q or ISL tagging.